8th Annual District Convention, Region 4. Region Chairperson K. Srinivas Murthy, Zone Chairperson Zone 1 G. N. Suraj, Zone 2 S. S. Chandrasekhar, Zone 3 Dodda Timaya. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Chikbalapura. Blood donation camps, support towards women's empowerment, Teachers' Day celebrations, support towards education, tree plantation activities, induction of new members. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Gauri Bidanur. Kalyani cleaning program, Teachers' Day celebrations, tree plantation program, hunger relief programs, celebration of Doctors' Day, donation of COVID cubicles, support towards the scholarship of poor students, donation towards an eye operation. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Sahaya Hasta. Support towards the scholarship of students. Cataract surgery activities. Hunger relief programs. Distribution of sanitizers and masks. Twinning programs. Tree plantation activities. Distribution of blankets and food packets to the needy. Health camps and diabetic camps conducted. Veterinary camp conducted. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Maruti Seva Nagar. Distribution of groceries. Support towards the education of children. Hunger relief programs. Tree plantation activities. Distribution of umbrellas. Image building activities. Funds for an old age home. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Orchards. Hunger relief programs. Scholarship through LDSF. Independence Day celebrations. Sponsoring of a new Lions Club. Teachers' Day celebrations. Distribution of ration kits. Distribution of umbrellas, celebration of Silver Jubilee, service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Pyramid, distribution of pension forms to support rural programs, tree plantation activities, participation in the district service activity, Teachers' Day program, participation in the mega rural tree plantation drive, participated in the spectacle collection drive, supported the World Disabilities Day, participated in the Kids for Kindness service drive, participated in the district program, participated in the Festival of Peace, service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Phoenix, hunger relief programs, support towards drinking water, support towards the Kids for Kindness service program, tree plantation activities, twinning programs, service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Gelayara Balaga, donation of masks, hunger relieving programs, service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Gokula, hunger relief programs, tree plantation activities, support towards the education of children, auto partition kits, veterinary camps conducted, service activities conducted by the Lions Club of Bangalore Hennur Arvinda Nagar, blood donation camps conducted, sponsoring of a new club, tree plantation activities, Kannada Rajyotsava celebrations, Teachers' Day celebrations, scholarship to a needy child, Aralu skill development program, auto partitions distributed, veterinary camps conducted, service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore, NSC Bose. blood donation camps conducted, hunger relief programs conducted, donation of sewing machines, donation to a deserving person for the construction of his house,